A good project manager knows that a well-chosen roadmap tool leads their team to successful project implementation. Research proves that 77% of all high-performing projects use a PM app. Choosing one is not a problem if you are familiar with the main elements of a roadmap and the key steps involved in its development. If not, we strongly recommend watching our previous video. In short, roadmaps keep teams aligned on workflows and project scope. They serve as the single source of truth for tracking progress and being updated on vital project changes. One can design a roadmap in simple programs like PowerPoint or Excel. Additionally, there are plenty of free templates for these apps that may speed up the process. However, such plans won't be dynamic, which is critical for project updates and effective collaboration. Moreover, templates are often difficult to customize for your specific needs. That is why you are most likely searching for a professional project roadmap tool. We have found the top 3 options so far. Let's start our list with GanttPRO. This is an online project management tool based on Gantt charts. Thanks to a short learning curve and intuitive interface, you can quickly build an understandable project roadmap that visualizes strategic initiatives of your company. The app doesn't force you to start from scratch. You can import existing MPP or Excel projects, or use GanttPRO templates tailored for various industries, from software development to construction. In contrast to many other solutions, the Gantt chart here is highly responsive to sudden changes in plans. Set dependencies between events to see how one task affects the others. If your priorities shift, the auto-scheduling feature will automatically adjust the timeline. You can also easily see everyone involved in the project. Just invite your team, assign tasks, and track costs by setting rates and units. There is no need to switch between apps to communicate. All collaboration happens right in GanttPRO. Real-time notifications keep your team informed about task updates, mentions, and deadlines. You can even get notified in the GanttPRO mobile app. The history of changes tracks every modification made to your project, showing who made changes and when for complete accountability. When it's time to share the progress with stakeholders, use the fully customizable private link for secure access. The platform also features a convenient export function that supports PDF, PNG, XML, and Excel formats. Additionally, it allows you to select specific details and customize the overall appearance of the exported roadmap. Altogether, GanttPRO provides a powerful, intuitive interface with multifunctional roadmaps and task planning across various industries. It doesn't have a free plan, but offers affordable pricing. AHA is also one of the most reliable product roadmap tools. The platform is widely used for creating and planning product releases. The 6 main tabs offer tools for managing various project aspects, providing detailed information on each planning stage. However, this comprehensive approach comes at the cost of a somewhat complex interface and high pricing. Knowledge tab serves as a central repository for all product documentation, including collaborative notes, whiteboards, and file management. Strategy section helps teams describe their vision, summarize the market landscape, and provide information on the product's strengths and weaknesses. Releases tab manages product releases and their schedules, allowing teams to plan what will be delivered and when. One more exciting feature is an idea portal. With it, you can store possible product features and return to them to consider at any convenient moment. Roadmap tab provides various visualization options to communicate product plans to different audiences, from starter roadmaps to portfolio-level views. All in all, AHA excels at advanced prioritization and visual reporting for strategic product management, though frequent unexpected updates and high pricing can create challenges for teams. Productboard is a product management tool that provides a timeline-based roadmap creation. Though its Gantt chart has limited features, the app effectively handles team coordination, idea management, goal planning, and release organization. By creating roadmaps, the tool allows building products that your consumer needs. It helps define project scope, set milestones, prioritize, track progress, and make quick changes. Here, it's also possible to capture scattered feedback from different sources into a centralized repository where teams can find relevant insights on any customer need. The software integrates with many popular tools such as Jira, Trello, Azure, GitHub, DevOps, and Pivotal Tracker to synchronize different company departments' workflows. Overall, Productboard provides an easy-to-use roadmap with strong user feedback integration and strategic feature visibility. Though, its UI can feel sluggish with large datasets, and its grouping system takes time to master. Now you see that there is a number of roadmap tools to choose from. For even more options, you can visit our article by the link in the description. It features a few more paid and free alternatives. Which roadmap creation tool do you use? Feel free to leave your answer in the comments below.